everyone, welcome to the Sterling Municipal Library. We're going to take you on a tour and show you everything that we have going on here. Our first stop is story time. So now that you've gotten to see a little bit of our story times, let's take a walk through the lobby. So what we're going to show you next is our Baytown Serves room. So this is where our community engagement offices bring community partners for us to provide services straight out of the library. So this is our media lab. This is where we offer free 3D printing services, and we even teach workshops. Truly a work of art. Our librarians do an amazing job at creating a new display every month. When you're ready to check out books, you can come to our circulation desk right here. Right, we're going to keep it moving to the other side of the building. So in this little corner here, we have a few of our study rooms, but also we have our podcast room. Come take a look. And right next to the podcast room, we have our community engagement offices. Here we have one, and here we have another. If you haven't seen our collection, it is massive. You can go down the paperback romance section. Whoa! Tyler! Our shelvers are a wonderful part of the library. They make our library look fabulous. They get the books back on the shelves, and we wouldn't be the Sterling Municipal Library without them. Now we're going into the war zone, the kids zone. It's usually bustling in this whole area with kids playing on iPads, kids reading, playing Minecraft, and our beloved playhouse. So you're probably wondering where all of our offices are. There is a little secret door in the kids zone, which will lead you to our youth office. And you can see our amazing craft room. So if you're ever wondering where all of our crafts are made, it's here, Santa's Workshop. Our next stop is a door right through the youth offices, and it takes us to the teen room. So in the teen room, here is where our teens meet, and we also have VR available here. Have you ever wondered where our director's office is? Let me show you. So we're just gonna pop in and bother her. And this is where we eat and hang out. And now we're gonna exit our break room and go into one of the busiest stations of the library, materials management. And last but not least, we're going to walk through to our innovation room where you are sitting right now. And now, ta-da! We're back in the lobby and you're free to go.